Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and here we have the Huawei Pura70Ultra. So this is a new series flagship model from Huawei, and also we can see this time they also changed the smartphone box. Okay, so we can take it from the cover and then we can open the box. Today I'm going to have a very simple unboxing and hands-on video about this flagship model from Huawei. Today we get the 16GB RAM plus 1TB ROM edition, and it's a brown color leather material, the back panel, and this Kunlun glass is powered also by Harmony OS, the new Harmony OS. Okay, so next let's uncover it and open the box and just check what's inside the box. So after we opened the box, here we can find the Huawei Pura70Ultra. It's in front of us and it's well protected by a protector, plastic protector. And here under this smartphone we find a very nice looking customized case, and it gets a very special and unique stripe and texture, not like the transparent and hard or soft transparent case. This one looks more high-end, and also here's the SIM card ejector, SIM card pin. Yeah, SIM card pin. Let's focus on it. Yes, so this is the SIM card ejector. Let's put it back and check the rest stuff inside this small box. Okay, here. Yep. So yes, here we have the so this is the quick start of the Pura70Ultra, and as we can see that this time the Huawei P series they changed the name to Pure, and Pure it means pure and beautiful in Spanish, and this is a very nice name to make this Pure series more international. Yes, it's quick start and the basic information and the warranty and the battery information, and also they provide a 500 RMB gift card for end users. So this is very nice. And also we find the provide charger. So this is a multiple function charger. It supports Type-C and USB-A, and this time for the battery of the Pura70Ultra is 5200 mAh for the Pura70Ultra edition, and also it supports 100 watt capable fast charging, 80 watt wireless fast charging, and also 20 watt reverse charging. This is very nice. And besides, except the Pura70, all the Pura70 Pro, Pro Plus, Pro Ultra are supported the fast charging. The Type-C cable. Yes, so this is all the accessories and stuff inside. So next, okay, let's put this back, and we can lift the case, and then we can go to the leading actor, the smartphone. Okay, the Pura70Ultra. Yeah. Oh, so excited to get it out from the back, and now finally the Pura70Ultra is in front of us. Okay, it's really nice, and we can see it's have a new design of the camera zone, also the back panel. I think it used also new design, the rhombus stripe, and is a leather material back panel, brown color, and really nice. And also the frame is round, not sharp, and so it can get better hand feelings. Yes, and also the color is shining color, but also a same color like the back panel, the brown color. And when we wake up the screen and check the front side of the smartphone, we can find it's have a curved screen and also the punch hole camera. The four sides same bezel and same curved a 6.8-inch screen, and they use the Kunlun glass. It's also developed by Huawei. And also we can go to settings to check more information about this device. And for this time, the Pura70Ultra is used Kirin 9010 chips, except the basic Pura70. The other 70 Pro, 70 Pro Plus, and 70 Ultra all use the Kirin 9010 chips. This is also the new and the latest chips from Huawei, and it also support LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1. And for the screen, I forgot to mention it support 120 Hz refresh rate, and also it's OLED screen, and peak brightness reached to 2500 nit, and it's a curved screen. Display resolution reached to 2760 by 1256, and it's support 460 ppi and also 1440 Hz PWM and TPO. And here are more information about the satellite communication. So it supports Tiantong and Beidou communication for message and talking. And so this is very nice. And also the speaker device supported for devices among the Huawei. You can transfer files and use it very friendly, just like Apple or this ecosystem. Very nice. And here is the demonstrator of its camera, and this time for the real triple camera system. It's used a special telescopic and a flexible main camera, a 50 megapixel IMX969 and 0.98 inch big film, and OIS supported, and also it supports 40 megapixel wide angle and 50 megapixel periscope. For the periscope, it also supported OIS and also maximum 35 times long aperture focus for 5 centimeters. And it's a very powerful camera system, especially when it works with the AI developed by Huawei. It can be magic. And at the end video, I will show you how it works for the fast moving products. It can actually optimization a lot for the object. And also this time for the front camera is a 60 megapixel autofocus front camera. I will show you later to check. We can check it. And also the under screen fingerprint, also very nice. And also it's the IP68 rated device. Now this is the front camera. Yes, we can check it. And yeah, about the camera zoom, I forgot to mention this time they used the mentored Xmage. I think this is the camera brand from the Huawei to embellish the design, make it not so how to say, not so monotonous, to make it looks a bit luxury and high-end, especially for the lift camera zoom. It's very nice and the red aged, and also we can compare it with the old mode of Apple. I prefer the Huawei. The design is more high-end and more balanced and looks more nature and beautiful. Yeah, we compare it with the Apple device. Actually, I like the Huawei design. It looks nice. Mental framework and leather material back panel, and also especially for the special stripe, the rhombus stripe texture. And here, as I mentioned, I'm going to show you how it can capture the fast moving object. But this time, I think for the fan, it's not so good, because it will auto focus on the not focus on the fan inside, but also focus on the cover of the fan, so cannot get good AI functions when it work with camera. But another. I will have another video about to shoot the shaking and moving hands is better, and I will put the samples at the end of the video so we can also check it. Okay, if we can find it can capture some, but not so accurate because it's autofocus on the for the first object. So this thing I think it should be improved to distinguish the things we really want to focus. Yeah, we can have more and make it more faster and to check the quality of the camera. And also about the dimension about this product is V70 5.1 mm, lens 162.6 mm, and the thickness V 8.4. So it's very friendly for small hands, especially for me. And also the curved screen and the curved framework looks more good hand feelings. They are nice, and also the weight of this device is 2 to 6 grams. It's very nice, not too heavy. For me, I feel comfortable. Yeah. Yeah, here's the sample pictures. Okay, yeah, so this is the content of the Huawei Pura70 Ultra. Ready? And yes, here, yes, it's the Ultra. Magic time to capture high moving and shaking objects. Powerful camera camera system with the powerful the magic AI functions. Yeah, we can shake hands and then wow, yes. So it's more make it optimate. Here, enjoy how it looks like when it's fixed with the case, and this time for the customized and high quality decent case, it looks nice, much better than the normal transparent soft hard plastic case. Enjoy my pictures. Okay, thanks for watching. This is today's May video, and here's the camera test. So let's stay tuned and waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye, let's enjoy it.